In this video, we'll cover labeling in network and app synthetics. Administrators can create custom labels for both tests and agents, making it easier to assign them to specific contexts. Labels simplify the organization and management of your environment. Agent labels let you group agents based on factors like location, region, use case, provider, or deployment type. Test labels let you categorize tests by use case, application, or monitoring function. Once created, they can be applied in multiple ways: to build customized dashboards, to refine agent selection for test assignments, and to filter existing tests more effectively. Let's create an agent label. Navigate to Network and App Synthetics and Agent Settings. Click the Agent Labels tab, then click Add New Label. Give it a descriptive name and choose a color. You can search for agents to assign immediately or add them later. Then click Add New Label to save. To edit an existing label, select it. From here, you can modify the name, color, and assigned agents. When you're finished, click Save Changes. Now for the test labels. Navigate to Network and App Synthetics Test Settings. Select the Test Labels tab and click Add New Label. Enter a name, then select a color. Use the drop-down to select tests you want to assign, or leave it empty and add tests later. When you're finished, click Add New Label to save. With both types created, here are two practical examples of how to use them. When setting up a new test, you'll need to assign an agent. One option is to manually search using the search bar, but this can be time-consuming. Another option is to use the built-in labels, but these don't always cover every scenario. With custom labels, the process is much faster. You can click the label and instantly assign the right agents. This keeps your test configuration consistent without manually selecting agents each time. When creating a dashboard widget, you first need to define a data set. This is what the widget uses to generate aggregated data. For any widget using network and app synthetics as the data source, you can apply filters to drill down into detailed test results. By using custom agent and test labels as filters, the widget displays the exact dataset you need. Your dashboards stay dynamic. When your tests or agents change, the widgets automatically reflect those updates. These examples show how labels improve efficiency and simplify everyday tasks within ThousandEyes. Thanks for watching.